Hello my friends and welcome to my channel. 2 apples. Peel the apples. Please subscribe my channel and give us a like and share the video. Thank you. If you like to have an amazing Japanese knife like this one, you can find the link below on description. From which country are you watching my channel? Slice the apples. $30 butter. Add 30 grams of sugar. Mix well. Add the apples. Cover and leave on low heat for 10 minutes. 1 egg. Beat the egg well. 100 milliliters milk. Mix well. 30 milliliters vegetable oil. Mix well. 30 grams of sugar. 8 grams of vanilla sugar. 8 grams 0F baking soda. Mix well. 250 grams sifted flour, added little by little to make mixing easier. Mix well. Ten minutes later. Let's cover the apples with the dough. Sprinkle cinnamon powder on top. Cover and leave on low heat for 10 minutes. 10 minutes later. Make sure it is not stuck to the bottom of the pan. Flip it around. Beautiful color. Cover and leave it on low heat for 5 minutes. Perfect and ready. Enjoy!